Buying a 2026 SUV. Pause. Not because it's a bad vehicle, because it might be a bad financial decision. Right now, thousands of families are walking into dealerships confident. Confident in the badge. Confident in the tech. Confident in the monthly payment. And that's the trap. Dealerships sell payments. Banks sell interest. Nobody sells you the 5-year reality. Here's what actually drains your wallet. Depreciation. Interest. Insurance creep. Fuel over 60,000 miles. Repairs after warranty. The most expensive SUV in 2026 won't be the one with the highest sticker. It'll be the one that quietly drains you for 5 years. Let's break down 6 that look smart, but require smarter math. Number 6. Ford Explorer. The new Explorer feels futuristic. Massive vertical display. A digital cluster. Touch-sensitive everything. It feels like progress, but progress has a maintenance bill. Modern SUVs centralize nearly every function into one digital ecosystem. Climate, drive modes, cameras, safety systems. If that integrated system fails outside warranty, you're not replacing a switch, you're replacing a control hub. That can run $2,000 to $3,000. And here's the second hit. Technology ages faster than engines. A 10-year-old V6 still runs strong. A 10-year-old screen feels ancient. Outdated tech accelerates depreciation. The Explorer isn't unreliable. It's electronically dependent. And dependency gets expensive. Number 5. Mazda CX-90. This one feels like you beat the luxury brands. Inline-6 turbo, upscale interior, premium design, but turbocharged engines run hotter, under higher pressure. That's physics. During warranty? Amazing. At 90,000 miles, turbo replacement can exceed $2,500. Carbon cleaning can cross $1,000. Now the hidden cost. You paid for premium feel, but resale treats it like a mainstream brand. Luxury experience, mainstream depreciation. That gap? That's your money. Number 4. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Hybrids feel like the smartest move. Fuel savings, Toyota reliability, eco-credibility. But let's run clean math. Hybrid premium, about $3,000. Fuel savings, roughly $500 per year for average drivers. Break even, 5 to 7 years. Most buyers trade in before year 5. Add higher insurance valuation, extra electronic systems, battery cooling components. If you drive under 10,000 miles a year, you may never recover the premium. The hybrids are smart, but only when your mileage supports them. Number 3. Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is where emotion gets expensive. Leather dash, massaging seats, premium trims, and the most dangerous sentence in any showroom. It's only $120 more per month. $120 times 60 months equals $7,200. With interest, closer to $8,000. 5 years later, those upgrades might add $2,500 to resale. You financed 8, you recovered 3. Depreciation doesn't care about your emotions. Math always wins. Number 2. Chevrolet Equinox redesign year. New platform, new software, new production setup. Exciting, yes, but historically, first-year redesigns carry early adjustments, software patches, minor recalls, manufacturing refinements. Most issues get sorted in year 2. But first-year buyers absorb the uncertainty, and if early reliability perception dips, resale reacts fast. Sometimes the smartest move is waiting 12 months. Number 1. Hyundai Palisade Calligraphy. This one feels like you won. Luxury interior, wide curved displays, high-end materials. It feels underpriced for what you're getting, and that's exactly why it's dangerous. Because buyers calculate the monthly payment, they don't calculate 5-year depreciation, often $15,000 plus. Fuel over 60,000 miles, $8,000 plus. Insurance increases, loan interest, post-warranty maintenance. Stack it all together? The 5-year ownership cost becomes uncomfortable. The Palisade isn't unreliable. It's emotionally irresistible, and emotional purchases rarely optimize long-term math. Before you buy any SUV in 2026, follow this 3-step rule. 1. Calculate full 5-year cost, not monthly payment. 2. Check 5-year depreciation history for that model. 3. Get an insurance quote before signing anything. Confidence at purchase does not guarantee comfort at resale. Buy with math. Drive with confidence. And next, we're breaking down the 2026 SUVs that actually make financial sense long-term. I'll see you in the next one.